Hi, this is Steve Johnson, General Manager for Kut Kwick, and today I'd like to talk to you about proper tire pressure and proper mounting torque on the tires and wheels on the SuperSlopeMaster SSM T4. Tire pressure is critical on the SuperSlopeMaster. For this machine, the proper setting is 15 psi on the inside tire, 12 psi on the outside tire. Lower tire pressures can result in the tire being knocked off the bead and losing pressure, and too much pressure can lead to a lack of slopeability. Equally important is the torque setting for the wheels. The inside wheel has a torque setting of 120 foot-pounds. The outside wheel has a torque setting of 55 to 75 foot-pounds. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit us on the web.